campaigns, let's see how to create and send email campaigns. Before sending, let's check all the required settings. Go to settings now. If you haven't added the address yet, please add it. This will show in the email footer as required by the ISP. Now go to verify domain. If you haven't verified the domain yet, you can verify it by simply adding the domain name. Enter the domain and click Save. Now add all the details to your domain DNS provider like GoDaddy or any other from where you purchased the domain. Once DNS details are added, click Verify. You can set your email sender ID from here. Once all setup is done, let's send the campaign. Check if you have a wallet balance in your account. If you don't, you can recharge the account first. It works on a pay-per-use basis, so there are no monthly subscriptions. Once ready, click the Add Campaign button. Select Email and enter your campaign name. In the From Name section, enter the name of the person who will be sending the email. This will show in the actual email. In the From Email section, enter the email address from which you want to send your campaign. This is coming from the Verify Domain sections. You can modify it if you want. You can also click the Use Different Reply to checkbox if you want recipients to reply to a different email address. Write the name and the email address where the user can reply back. Next, write the subject of your email in the subject section. Let's add audience information, to whom we want to send emails. You can choose your audience from multiple options. For collection, you can choose the collection type and view or create your own filter here. You can also create your own segment based on certain conditions. You can type the emails or copy-paste email in bulk. If you have a CSV file, you can import the file as well. All options support bulk traffic. Select your target audience and then click on the Save button. You can either select your content from the available templates or create a new email. Enter the template name, assign a tag, and set visibility for who can see the template. If you want this template to be shared with the entire workspace, select Public. You can use the simple text editor if you are sending a plain text message, or you can use the drag and drop builder to create an email. With the help of the builder, you can design any email on the fly. Simply drag the block you want and edit the content, add images, and once done, click Save. Once it's added, you can schedule it or split it into batches. For example, if you are sending 20,000 email, you can divide it into 5 batches of 5,000 respectively. Select the duration you want to keep between the campaigns. You can also add an attachments if you want to send with your email campaign. If you select the Track Open and Track Click checkboxes, you will be able to track how many emails have been opened and clicked. Once you have filled in all necessary details, click on the Send Campaigns button and campaign will begin running. You can also send emails via API. You can check out the API documentation for more information. That's it. You are now ready to take your marketing efforts to the next level. We hope you like Zixflow. Do reach out to our support team if you get stuck anywhere in the process. We are here to help. Our team is very responsive on support chat. Thank you.